Well, thank you for joining me. I'm going to be looking at question 3e, and this asks us to write each of the following sequences using the general term. So we need first find the general term and then write the sequence. And that's just by adding squiggly brackets. But here we go. 0 is the first number, 3, 8, 15. Let's have a look at what's happening between the differences here. We've got up by 3, up by 5, up by 7. Each time it's increasing by 2. So let's have a look at up by 2, up by 2. Now because we get a constant on the second row of differences, this means we're looking at a quadratic equation. Now let's have a look at this quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is simply that the rth term is some quadratic equation where the variable is r. So let's r squared plus b r plus c. And there's a quadratic equation. And that means the first term is when r is 1. So the first term is a plus b plus c. The second term when r is 2 is 4 squared, 2 squared is 4. 4a plus b2 plus c. The third term is when r is 3, so we've got a times 3 squared, 9a, 3b, b3, 3b, and c. And the fourth term is when r is 4, so a times 4 squared is 16a, 4b, and c. Okay, so I've squeezed it in. And let's have a look at this difference here. There's a difference between these three, and the difference is from a to 4a, that's a difference of 3a. From b to 2b, that's a difference of b. Or you can minus 4a plus 2b plus c minus a plus b plus c. Now the next difference is 9a take away 4a is 5a. 3b take away 2b is b, and c take away c is 0. Finally, 16a take away 9a is 7a, and 4b take away 3b is b. And we get this difference where we go 5a plus b minus 3a plus b. The difference there is 2a, and the difference here is 2a. Now to work out the value for a, b, and c, we match the 2a with the 2. We then match the 3a plus b with this 3. And finally we match the a plus b plus c with 0. So let's do that. Let's first match the 2a with the 2. Therefore a equals 1. So we know that the rth term is a is 1. So we've got 1r squared. Now, we've done that one. Now we do the next one. 3a plus b is equal to 3. 3a plus b is equal to 3. Therefore, and a is 1. So a is 1. Because a is 1. A is 1. So plus b equals 3. Therefore, b equals 0. Yes, 3 times 1 plus 0 is 3. All right, so b is 0. And now finally, c, a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is 1, b is 0, plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 plus C has to equal negative 1. All right, so therefore, our rth term is 1r squared plus r minus 1. And there it is. That is the quadratic equation for this general term. Now we just needed a sequence, and the sequence is simply, all you have to do is put a squiggly bracket around the general term. That means the sequence using that general term, and the sequence of numbers r squared minus 1, and that's the sequence, which happens to be that sequence up there, and where r is an element of the positive integer set. And there we have it. You can test if you want. When r is 1, you get 1 squared minus 1 is 0. When r is 2, 2 squared minus 1 is 3, yes. When r is 3, 3 squared minus 1 is 8, yes. Okay. I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.